Yo, what's up, everyone? Today, we're breaking down the slang term lefty cappuccino. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, lefty cappuccino is a casual term for a cappuccino made by a left handed barista or drinker. People use it when referring to coffee served in a special way suited for left handed people. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Lefty cappuccino first showed up in coffee shop culture in the 2010s. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among coffee lovers and baristas. Now let's check out how to use lefty cappuccino in a sentence. Correct example 1. I always order a lefty cappuccino because the barista knows exactly how I like it on the left side. Correct example 2. At the cafe, she joked that she only drinks lefty cappuccino because she's proudly left-handed. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said lefty cappuccino at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using lefty cappuccino right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Lefty cappuccino means a casual term for a cappuccino made by a left-handed barista or drinker. It started in coffee culture in the 2010s, and now you'll hear it in conversations online, a flight, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with Lefty Cappuccino in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.